Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm going to show you how to nail a natural flawless look without using many products. It's almost like a no makeup look for the festive season. And I'm sure many of you will go for that kind of look during this Diwali and all the festive decoration and celebration. So it's very simple natural look, so it will be very helpful. And if you're ready, let's begin. I'm going to start with toner, hyaluronic toner from Frigo. I absolutely love this product. This product is infused with fatty acids to lower your skin surface tension, and that in return keeps your skin looking pulp and firm, and it also increases blood circulation overall, making your skin look very healthy. And the next moisturizer is again my favorite from Kama Ayurveda, Iladi hydrating face cream. Again, you all know how much I love that product. To keep my lips moisture and hydrated, I'm going to be using this rose lip balm from Kama Ayurveda. Rather than using a heavy foundation, because we're going for a natural look today, I'll be using Lakme 925 Mousse Foundation. You can also go for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream or CC cream. You can see it has that beautiful tint, and when you actually apply it, it becomes sheer and it gives you beautiful glow. And although it doesn't give you as much coverage as a foundation does, it still blurs those imperfections and covers some of the patches and spots. So overall it gives you very natural look. And then if you want a spot correct, you can use a little bit of concealer. I'm using MAC 24 hour smoothwear concealer like I'm showing you here. So I use just a tad bit in areas where my skin is completely uneven, like my acne marks or my dark circle, and quickly I'm just going to blend it with my fingers only for the natural finish. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to use it on my lids to even out my skin tone again, just a tad bit, and quickly blend it out with my fingers. Now because I used concealer around my eyes, it tends to crease, so I have to set it with powder. So I'm going to be using Faces Canada HD translucent pressed powder for this, and I'm only going to focus it on my eyes and under my eyes. It is a very finely sifted powder. I'm dusting it just a tad bit around my eyes so that concealer quickly absorbs it and sets before it creases. When you go for a natural look, you don't want to use too many products. Grooming your brows adds a lot of value. Even if you don't want to use any products on your brows, just brush it with a spoolie, and then even that brings in so much difference. What I personally like to do is I never fill in the top portion of my brows when I go for a natural look. I take the spoolie, brush my brow hairs upwards, and just fill in the lower sparse area. And again, I'm using my favorite brow pencil. This is from Absolute New York, and I have the darkest shade. You can also use brown eyeshadow or black eyeshadow, something that you know matches your brow hair color. Or you can also use like a kohl pencil. Just use very little product, it will look bold otherwise, because if you use darker color, just pick a one shade lighter than your actual brow hair color, and just fill in the sparse area in the lower. To add some color to my face, I'm going to be using Sugar Cosmetic Face Forward Plus Stick in Pink Prime. This is a cream formula. It works perfect, especially when you don't set your face with powder. Now because I just have a mousse cream on me, it's very easy to blend it out, and this can be used for all skin type including dry, mature and sensitive. It's a pretty versatile product. You can use it on your cheeks, your lips as well as your eyelids. And to get that overall glow, I'm going to be using Luminizer by NYX. This is an ultra sheer light reflecting luminizer. It has translucent satin bronze finish to it, so when you actually apply it, it almost looks like you are lit from within kind of glow, you know. This again is, I'm going to quickly apply it with my fingers, and it's so easy to use cream based or liquid based product on your face if you're not using any powder on your face. I mean, haven't used that. And if you're just going with something natural looking like this, you can use very delicate highlighters and blushes on your face which are cream based, and quickly blend it out with your finger. Any I mean, blending it out with a finger is so easy because your body is naturally warm, so it tends to melt the product very quickly if you do it with your finger. So it's very easily blendable. Try to use kajal or an eye pencil only in the top waterline. So you're tight lining only the top waterline and not the bottom. What that does is it almost makes it feel like you have a thicker eyelashes. You won't be able to tell that you're wearing anything. You can't see that kajal, you can't see that you have tight lined with something. It looks like your natural eye but with thicker lashes. So eyes in general looks bigger and brighter this way. And then I like to finish up by curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara, but not any mascara. I always go with this mascara, sorry, eyelashes oil, and I dip my old mascara wand in it, which is clean, and then apply this oil with it. This makes it seem like you have nothing on your lashes, and but your lashes still look curled and beautiful, but it almost looks like you have no product on it. For lips, I'm going in with MAC in C Sheer. It looks like my natural pink lips, but more defined and little bit extra color to brighten things up. Now let's go ahead and lock everything in so makeup doesn't move. So I'm going to be using this NYX matte setting spray. To complete this look, I'm going to finish up with a very small bindi and a beautiful pair of statement earrings and some bangles. Although this is a natural look and it was created for a festival season, you can pretty much wear this every single day. This has become my everyday look, and number of times I worn this for meetings and to meet my friends. It's just unbelievable. People usually look at me twice to see if I have even wore any makeup on my face. It looks so natural but gives you that youthful glow and keeps you looking fresh throughout the day because you have less product, so there isn't much to move on your face. Everything stays put and keeps you looking fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you want to watch more videos like this. You'll also find my Instagram links in the description box, so if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me so I can come by and say hello to you guys. I will see you in my next video, which will be in next 2 minutes, cause of course you're gonna click on this video, right? Just click on it, just click. All right, bye.